I'm not doing mining anymore. I was doing it for a period of time, but at some point it becomes very difficult to get profitable. The problem with this market is it's very cyclical, and there's a lot of underlying things with the tech that can affect the price other than geopolitics or things that are trending in the space or what's happening in the economies. The hashing rate, the mining hash rate, the mining difficulty levels, the amount of people that are buying, the dips in supply that happen with certain cryptos and their tokenomics models all factor into the price as well. Many people don't really understand that because most people didn't really get into mining. There's a lot of people that bought maybe one or two miners and hooked it up and made a couple bucks, but there's not a lot of people that ran a full operation. So from having done that, I know how expensive it is. And I know how much effort and time needs to go into try and make it profitable. And I can tell you it's a very difficult business.